And at the end of this video, this is where you're going to learn how to get this effect on zero cost. Yes, once I pull it off, this is the natural light, and once I put it back, this is what I get. So if you love this glow on my face and you want to get it at almost nothing, then sit back and watch this video till the end. Hi lovely people, and welcome back to my channel. If you've been looking for a way to step up your video game, or you're thinking about getting a ring light but it's too expensive for you, or you're thinking about a light reflector but they're too expensive for you, or you do not want to invest so much in your videos, especially if you're not earning from your videos yet, then you should consider watching this video till the end. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a DIY light reflector as an alternative to ring lights, light reflector, and all of that. Just in case it's your first time here, my name is Chika Brown, and this channel is basically about food, vlog, lifestyle, and DIY. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Let's get started. So here are the list of things you'll be needing for this project. This is a DIY, so go ahead and pick up any carton, noodles carton, biscuit carton, or you can buy a cardboard. You will need a foil, the regular kitchen foil you have in your kitchen. You need a masking tape. I'm using this as an alternative. I don't have masking tape. The one you are seeing on the screen is what you need. You need the scissors, and you may likely trying to open it up here. This will lead me to reduce the size of my cardboard paper or my carton. So if you want yours to be wider than this, feel free to join the foil paper. Yes, you can just, after laying it the first time, you now join it the second time to make sure it covers the size of your cardboard. But here the cardboard is obviously bigger, so I just go ahead and trim it off. But if I still want to join it, I can join it, but I'm making this for just my face, so I don't need it to be very wide. So don't worry, if you want yours to be bigger, go ahead and join the carton until you get your desired size, after which go ahead and also join the foil paper. So here I'm trying to secure it at the back by using my cello tape to hold it against the paper. coming from this way, so you go ahead and place your light reflector so that it bounces back the light, like it brings it back. So when it bounces back, it brightens up the dark part. So if your light is coming from this part, your light reflector should be on this side. So because my light is coming from this side, look at that, guys. If you've been planning or saving up to buy a ring light, or a ring light is too expensive for you, this is a better alternative. And trust me, this is the same effect that ring light will give you, nothing different. Look at it. This is what I'm using, so you get to see it. I want to bring it closer so you see it. Can you see that? All you have to do is to go ahead, you can perforate somewhere around here. Just go ahead and perforate somewhere around here and tie it and probably hang it somewhere whenever you want to make a video. Or you can as well, if you're doing a sit down video, you don't sit down, then you raise it to your thigh. It may not give you the kind of position you want. Look at it now. I can raise it on my leg like this. See what I'm getting? But then if you can hang it somewhere close to you, look at that. Look at that. I'm making it to show in the video that it doesn't have to show. It's showing because I want you to know that I'm truly using this DIY light reflector. If I don't want it to show, you don't need to see it. Can you see that? So guys, share this video. Let everyone know that they don't need to break the bank to brighten up your video. You don't need to do that. So you can imagine this on a sweet background. This is just a door. This is just a door. You can imagine this on a green screen on a beautiful backdrop. Man, your video is going to be on fire. Yeah. Without, with. So you don't have money for ring lights? This is for you. You're still saving for ring lights? Start using this one. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share it out so you can help other content creators. Don't enjoy this alone. And this is also perfect for your indoor photo shoot. Maybe you want to snap yourself, your Instagram pictures. You don't have money to go to the studio. You don't have to break the bank.